Hey there and welcome to Matt's Garage. This is going to be a super quick little video because I'm actually in a big hurry here, but I am leaving on a trip in a minute and trying to get this blower motor resistor working. Now, if you've dealt with these at all, you'll notice this is not the factory unit. Factory unit has a bunch of heatsink pins on that aluminum piece and just a little electrical box in the back, and they're very pricey. And so what I've done is cut all those pins off, cut a hole in it, and put a Ford blower motor resistor in there. And just want it to kind of let you know what's entailed if you want it to do the same. Because this is not only a $20 part, this is actually a used one I had for testing. I'm putting a brand new one in there in a minute. But not only is it really cheap and reliable, but it gives me an extra blower speed. Right now it's just 2 speeds. Well, it's got the auto, but it's just got the high and low for manual speeds on the blower fan. So I'm putting in this blower motor resistor, allows for 3 speeds. That's why it has 3 springs there. And then what I'm doing inside, that was actually kind of the challenging part, was the switch in here, because this is a printed circuit. Those buttons just have a ribbon. You can see that ribbon right there. I actually cut that off so it's so dark. And may look a little sloppy to some of you, but I'm all about function. That is a Dodge van, from an 85 Dodge van, that switch. And it's just an easy switch to mount, and it's the right switch. It works. I did all this. I set it all up as a test circuit and had it all working on the floor. Here's my new Ford resistor. That was 20 bucks. So, and then I have a brand new blower motor going in there. You can see I had all this set up with the used parts, so I didn't fry anything. That's how I figured it all out. But yeah, long story short, I had to run wires inside. I wasn't able to reuse any of the wiring because of that printed circuit and the way things link off in there. No way I could trace it, so I just poked a hole in that grommet there, ran 4 heavy wires, and I'm going to wire in my resistor. It mounts back into the factory location in there, and I should have this all wired up here in a minute and do another clip. And there that is before I seal it all in and see all the wires I had to run. Real pain in the butt, but I got it done. I've got 4 fan speeds now, and I had to put in a new on and off switch. Okay, here we go. Since that no longer worked, that dial, I actually have a switch there to turn my heater on and off. That is my new fan on and off switch because that one no longer functions. And this is my 4-speed switch, not properly mounted yet, but watch this. So that's on. So there we go. That was a heck of a lot of work, but I figured I'd make a short video on it anyways. And if you have any questions about it, like I had to run my whole harness in here and everything, and a harness for this. So like 6 wires through the firewall. Real pain in the butt. It's like 3 a.m. right now. No joke. Okay, 2:32 a.m. and I'm just finishing up. I got a trip tomorrow, so thanks a lot for watching Matt's Garage. Don't forget to